I know it's not perfect, but I built a run stand for my 8BA Flathead for use with an electronic ignition. So I'm going to show you how I did it and a wiring diagram as well, so stick around. YouTube, what's up? Doug here from Besse Custom Fab. How's it going? I'm actually working on a Flathead V8 here, an 8BA from 1951, I think. We're going to get this thing started. One way or another, it's going to start. Trust me. I'm just going to do a quick video on the run stand that I built. We can kind of go over it. I've drawn a diagram to show you how I've wired it, but really quickly, I got a Pertronix electronic ignition in here, inside there, so it's wired a little differently. I had a drawing from a run stand that I got online for an 8BA, which was okay, and this is it. That's basically it, but there's a few issues with how that's done. Due to it being electronic ignition, and I don't know, this is the way I do it. So I just built a little bracket here. I have a push button starter switch, I have an on-off toggle switch, I have my coil screwed to the run stand. I have the old shitty thing, this is like from the 1950s, not that. Screwed to the stand as well, and it works. That's just a 3-pin solenoid or whatever you want to call that. Super simple. I have my battery hooked up through this whole maze of wires here, and I had it clamped on there, but honestly it's probably better if I just hook the battery on there. So I have battery going to one side of that solenoid, and also from battery, I have my toggle switch, main power. When that toggle switch gets flicked on, it activates power to the positive side of the coil and to the push button switch, so that when I go to start it, it turns over. I initially had this ground hooked up to the negative side of the coil. That was my problem. That was fucking me. And then the electronic ignition, plus to plus on the coil, minus to minus. Super simple. It works, and I have a drawing, a schematic. I'll just quickly put on here. That's the old one. That's the one you want right there. That one I know works for the 8BA with electronic ignition. So, I mean, you can take that and take that to the bank. I mean, pause that and draw it out. I know it works. No ground on the coil and no ballast resistor as well, because that electronic ignition likes to have full power. So that's how I did it, and it works. So I had trouble finding it, I was looking online, and I had to basically figure it out for myself, and it was a huge pain in the ass. So if that can save somebody a little bit of time, so be it. So hope that helps somebody, and like my video, subscribe. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll.